When it comes to packing nutritious lunches and having the pantry stocked with convenient and wholesome after-school snacks, many parents may be a bit rusty after a year of remote and hybrid learning. Luckily, registered dietitian nutritionist, cookbook author, and mom Maya Feller is here to get us ready for our new healthy back-to-school routine. Hello, Maya.
Hello, Nikki.
So we've seen the trending perfectly boxed lunches on Instagram. Can us normal people do that on a tight schedule?
Absolutely. I love a bento box. It's a great way to help your kids remember to eat the rainbow. I like to add different fruits and vegetables in and a lot of plants. I also love to use Go-Go Squeeze fruit and veggie pouches. They're 100% fruit and vegetable with no artificial ingredients, and I specifically love the Boulder berry flavor. It features a blend of berries, apples, and carrots, so you know that your kids are getting fruits and veggies.
What about the elevated brown bag lunch?
Oh yes, I love an elevated brown bag lunch. You absolutely can put things in there like a gorgeous sandwich with sunflower seed butter and a little bit of banana. And then for dairy, which is so important for calcium, I love these low-fat yogurt pouches. They're real low-fat yogurt and fruit, and they don't have to be refrigerated. There's no spoon, no mess. Plus they've got 3 grams of protein per serving. And that's really great when you're trying to make sure that your kids are staying well nourished.
And how can we improve snack time?
Yes, so I like a snack board. That way the kids can really choose some of what they want. I'll put out fruits, I'll put out veggies, and then I also really love these Go-Go Squeeze plant-based puddings. They're fantastic. They have 30% less sugar in comparison to traditional dairy puddings in a cup, and I think that's huge when we're thinking about lower sugar options. They're made from almonds and plant-based protein, and they contain 5 grams of protein per serving. The flavors that I love are the chocolate flavor, and I also love the cocoa hazelnut flavor.
Do you have some go-to car snack suggestions?
Absolutely. I think any of the Go-Go Squeeze pouches would be ideal for a car. I also love things like baby bell peppers. I love a little bit of a crunchy carrot. Those are fantastic because they hold up to, being in a bag and getting tossed around.
These are great tips. Where can we go to learn more?
So you can head over to gogosqueeze.com to learn more about their nutritious pouches. And listen, these were just suggestions. So if there's something from your culture that your kids love, start there and use that as a jumping off point.
Thank you, Maya.
Thank you.